On today's Body Cam, we're checking out woman flees a crash scene, but cameras catch everything.
Deputies spoke with the victim to gather information and determine what had happened. However, the driver of the other vehicle was believed to have left the scene without fulfilling the required responsibilities following the crash.
So what's going on today?
I don't know, I parked the car just to return something. It was like 5 minutes. When I came back, it wasn't finished.
And it definitely wasn't there when you parked here?
Yeah. Yeah, I read somebody moved the car.
What's that?
Somebody already had another car before this.
Okay. Do you have any idea what the car was?
No. He was, I don't see no. But I just went to return something. It was not the time. It was like in 5 minutes.
Okay. You have your license, registration, insurance? You get to sit in your car for a little bit. I made contact with Walmart AP. We're going to work on looking at the video quick. So where were you before here? No, yeah.
No, I just parked. I came from home.
You came from home?
And I bought something earlier, and I was just to return because I'm not going to be in the...
Okay. So I watched the camera footage. So there was a car parked here when you pulled in?
Yeah.
And then you were already back at your car before that car left. So no one hit your car in this parking lot?
No, get in the car?
No.
The car you was here was a black one.
Yeah.
No, but I didn't, I just came straight home.
I don't know. Did your wife or anything have hit the car by accident?
I just came with my wife in this, it was the afternoon to buy something. And they don't fit, I just came to return.
Yeah.
He trying to pull a fast one, man. Or it could be true that he didn't know. Maybe that's why the cop says his wife, what's going on with your wife? Did your wife may have hit something or whatever? He's like, no. He may have gotten in the car, drove, didn't realize anything was wrong with his vehicle. But then when he comes out of Walmart and looks, he's like, wait, hold on. Where did that come from? But just because you notice it now doesn't necessarily mean that somebody hit you while you was inside Walmart.
You didn't see anything?
No, the same car was parked there from when you got here to after you came back out. No cars came close to hitting your car. So
I just went 5 minutes. It was not over 5 minutes.
it did not happen within that 5 minutes.
After reviewing the store's surveillance footage, deputies identified the vehicle's license plate and registered owner. Using that information, they went to the owner's residence to verify who had been driving and determine what happened.
Sheriff's office.
Yeah.
Hey, good evening, Deputy Fitz.
Wait. So did someone hit his car earlier when the wife went there?
In Flaker County, how are you doing?
Good, how are you?
There you go. What's your name?
I'm Sydney.
Sydney? Yeah, we're just here trying to figure out what happened earlier today at Walmart.
At Walmart?
Yeah.
So, I mean, we went to Walmart. We were pulling in. My Dodge scratched another Nissan or whatever it was. I had to run in because my grandma Western Union me some money, whatever. And when I was coming back, I was trying to find out who was driving that car so I could alert somebody. I didn't know. I don't know what the state law is here. I'm visiting from Kentucky. I don't know. Like, usually you do call the cops. I don't know how it is here, but...
What are you talking about? You don't know how it is here. It's a hit and run. You hit somebody and you didn't alert anyone and you took off.
I was trying to let whoever was driving that car know, but as soon as I got back to my car, like, they were gone. Completely gone.
Okay. And who's in the car with you?
My best friend.
Okay. What's her name?
And her name is Allie, but she was, and when they were walking out, she was trying to alert them, but they were pulling off, like, letting them know, like, we accidentally scratched their car. Like, I don't want to be in trouble. I don't want anyone to be in trouble at all. If I will call my insurance tomorrow, like, let them know. I would love to talk to them and be like, I'm sorry, like, my insurance will pay for it. I'm fully covered.
Okay.
I'm not going to jail, Emma.
No, we're just trying to get the facts of what's going on.
No, for sure.
So what's Allie's first, or how do you spell Allie's?
Alexandra.
You know her birthday?
I don't.
She's not here now, is she?
She is.
Oh, okay. All right, we'll talk to her in a little bit then. She just make sure.
Hi.
There you are, Alexandra.
Guys.
So we were pulling into Walmart, and there was a Nissan. We thought that we cleared it. We both looked at each other and thought that we could clear it.
What do you say, we? Who was driving?
Sydney was driving.
Oh.
I was in the passenger seat, but I was like looking to see if we could clear it. Normally, that's what I do for my husband or for anybody that I'm driving with. And we were.
Well, don't do that anymore. We don't need you to clear nothing. Okay? Those days is over with. Over. We don't need you to clear a goddamn thing, man.
For anybody that I'm driving with. And we were almost there, like we were almost in the parking spot, and then I was like, "Oh, Sydney, we just scraped the car." And she was like, "Really?" So I was like, "Yes, ma'am." So she backed up, and we pulled in, and then addressed the situation. Well, she had to run into Walmart. Like, that's why we were there. We weren't, just there to be there. So we were in the walk. She ran in, and I sat in the car with the kids because we weren't going to take all 3 kids out of the car. We took the kids, and I sat there with the kids. She went into Walmart. So I sat there waiting for them. I was like, Sydney, I'll sit here and wait for them while you go in. And by the time that they had came out, she hadn't come back out yet. So I was like, okay, well, I was on my phone, and the people came out, and I was like calling her. I was like, Sydney, the people are here. What do? I went to get ready to roll the window down. They already were buckled up and had drove off. And I was like, okay.
Bullshit. All that time they had to put away their stuff in the car and, get settled in. And if it was more than one person and they both got to get in, get buckled, No. You did nothing. You did not don't say, oh yeah, I was just about to roll down the window. No.
Well, I forgot to take a picture of the license plate because I've never been in a wreck or anything. So I had no idea what to do at all. And I was like, do I need to call 911? Like, they had already left. And she was like, I don't know what to do either. And we don't have any family here or anything. Like, me and my husband just moved here a year ago, and I lived in Integra Woods, and we just moved here. So I didn't know who to call or what to do. I was like, we didn't hit them, you know what I mean? So I was kind of shook about it. So on both of our parts, I guess that is our fault. But I was waiting for them to come out the store to let them know. And by the time that I could even let them know that.
Cut it out. What do you mean you hit them? You didn't hit them. What the hell did you either hit them or you didn't? It's not you didn't. We didn't even hit them. What?
We had scratched their car. They had left.
Okay. When you were asking her what to do on the phone, what did she say?
She was like, I'm coming out. Because I was calling her, and she's like, I'm coming out. By the time, she was already at the car, they were gone.
Okay.
By the time she was coming out of the doors, you could hear the doors open. They were gone, and I was like, okay. So I was like, I don't know what to do. I was like, what do we do? Because I don't know what to do. I even called my husband, but he works on a towboat, so it's a hit or miss to get him. And when I finally did get him, I was like, I don't know what to do. He's like, I don't know what to do either. So I was like, okay.
Well, you guys are just screwed then, aren't you? If you guys are adults and neither one of you know what to do when you hit a vehicle, you guys are just screwed, right?
I was even going to tell him, while I was trying to tell him, on the side, my husband, wraps cars and stuff. And can get dents and stuff out. And I was going to tell him that he could buff it out for them, but they were already gone. So I didn't know that was considered technically a crash, if that makes sense.
A vehicle in motion caused damage to property.
Okay. I really didn't know that. I'm being so serious.
That's all right. But he's going to get better. I see some mosquitoes flying around, so we'll get him back to bed and we'll wrap up over here.
Thank you.
Of course.
Bye.
Bye, buddy. All right. So, with that, you've been cool with us.
Yeah.
I'm going to be honest with you, okay? You are going to be placed under arrest for this.
Okay.
All right? You will be able to bond out pretty soon after getting booked in, as long as someone comes and bonds you out.
Okay.
And I know you have your son that's awake in there. Bring his money back for now. I know they're not the most comfortable. Does that feel okay? Alright. So I assume you want to bring your cell phone with you. We have your ID. Is there anything else you wanted to bring?
I'm not gonna get my ass beat in there, am I?
No, and especially if she's going to come bond you right out, then if she's going to come bond you right out, they probably won't even change you out or put you in general population. So the only do if it's going to be an extended period of time.
Yeah, you might want to be in and out. In and out. Don't stay too long, because you a first timer. They loved first timers.
But I know we kind of watched you get dressed. Do you have anything on you that can hurt, harm, or poke me? Do you have anything in you, on you, or around you that be considered contraband at an inmate facility? So the best way to get in, you're going to stand in the doorway and face me. All right. Don't do anything yet, but when you sit down, you're going to keep your feet out of the car and just watch your head. All right. Just slowly, watch your head, watch your head. Get that past the door frame.
I'm a little hot back here, but...
After completing their investigation and reviewing the evidence collected, officers identified Sidney Robertson as the driver of the vehicle involved in the crash. Robertson was then arrested on a charge of leaving the scene of a crash involving property damage and transported to the county jail for processing.